Hey guys, hope you're doing well and welcome to this video. This video marks the beginning of a complete tutorial series on GoHighLevel Automation. Many of you have requested detailed and descriptive videos explaining how workflows actually function and how to build automations from beginner to advanced level. In this series, I'll guide you step by step, starting from the very basics and gradually moving toward more complex and powerful workflow structures. Let's begin by navigating to the automation section. I'm currently inside a sub-account, and this is where everything related to workflows happens. This video is a basic introduction to GoHighLevel Workflows. In simple terms, workflows mean automation. They are designed to perform automated actions whenever a specific event occurs inside the system. An event can be a form submission, an appointment booking, a survey submission, a new contact being created, or even something like a contact's birthday. Whenever one of these events happens, you can configure the system to automatically respond with a predefined action. This is the core concept behind automation in GoHighLevel. I prefer keeping things organized. So the first thing I'll do is create a dedicated folder to store all the workflows for this tutorial series. Since this is our first lesson, we'll create a brand new workflow from scratch and name it Introduction to Workflow. It's always a best practice to clearly name your workflows so you can easily identify them later. After creating and saving the workflow, you'll see an option to add a new trigger. A workflow has two main components, the trigger and the action. The trigger defines what starts the automation. It could be a form submission, appointment booking, new contact creation, or even a birthday reminder. For this example, let's choose form submitted as our trigger. This means whenever someone submits a form inside this sub-account, the workflow will automatically start. Now we define the second part, which is the action. A simple action would be sending a confirmation email. To do this, click Add Action, select Send Email, set the sender name and email, add a subject like Thank you for submitting the form, and write a short message thanking them and letting them know you'll be in touch soon. Once everything is set, click Save and then Publish. Your workflow is now live. In upcoming videos, we'll explore more advanced automation strategies, so stay tuned and subscribe.